Here's how to fix profile views on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok and you want to see other people's profile views or your own profile views, you want to enable that feature. I'm going to show you how to do it even if that option is missing or it's just not working. So let's hop into TikTok and we're going to tap the profile button at the bottom right. Now on here at the top right, you can see those two kind of walking step symbols. I can tap on that. And you can see here is profile views. I can tap the turn on feature at the very bottom right to enable it. And of course, then it should work. However, if it's still not working, you can go back and you can also just tap those three lines at the top right. Now let's hit on this settings and privacy. And then let's choose privacy, the second option. Now, if you scroll down, you can see profile views towards the bottom. I can just tap on that, and all I have to do is here, I can toggle it on. Now, it says basically all those profile views will start to turn on. It won't show you any of that past profile views, but it will show you any future ones. Now, if this doesn't work, the next step that we're going to do is basically remove any kind of bugs or glitches in your TikTok app. So let's hop into the settings. We'll tap on General, and then iPhone storage. Now, once this loads, we're going to find the TikTok app. We're going to offload it and reinstall it. If you're on an Android device, what you're going to do is you're just going to clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall the app. So I'm going to offload this app and then just reinstall it. This helps update and refresh any kind of bugs, gets rid of any of those bugs or glitches or anything like that, and installs a fresh new copy of TikTok on your device. So once this is done loading, you can open it up and those profile views should be working at that point. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.